Well, is it important to you to find out what the best microwave is? By all accounts, all the ratings I've looked at, Toshiba pops right up there at the top 10 at least. And in some places, they're saying Toshiba is the best microwave out there right now. So we're going to show you that today. All right, at least we hope so. So today we're going to do an unboxing. Once I get it all unboxed, I'll set it up and we'll walk through it and do just like a mini review of it. Right away, I like this because I've always been a Toshiba fan, and they always seem to make very, very good stuff. So this one is the 0.9 meter cubic foot, 1,350 watts. Typically, when you get a 0.9 cubic foot, you get 900 watts. So right away, you've got a performance advantage over most other 0.9 cubic feet. Now we went with a smaller 0.9 cubic feet because we don't use it very much. We're going to be using it mostly for warming food. We very rarely cook food in our microwave anymore. We have other devices to do that. So let's get into that and stick around and we'll answer some questions at the end of the review. Please hit the subscribe, hit the button, and hit the like. It helps me out. All right, so let's get into it. So on the top layer, we have instruction book. We have the little roundy round for the plate. And the plate, you can see the plate's a little bit smaller than others because of the size of the microwave. It's well packed in here. It's not going to move anywhere. So styrofoam, more styrofoam to put in the landfill. That's okay. Well, it's no scratches, no dents or anything like that on it. It looks well built. Easy to read buttons. The handle opens very nice. So I'm going to switch over to the other side here. So we have time cook, time defrost, weight defrost, kitchen time, clock and settings, power level. One of the things that, one of the comments that I had when I was looking this up, researching this, is that you can shut off the beeper. Apparently you can do that on all different machines. So that's a good thing if you got a baby at home or don't like the beep, 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 beep. So and there it is. It's ready to go. Well, that's a good sign. Okay, so we got lights in there. Nice clean area. Like I said, there's the screen, the time buttons. Okay, you hit 3 and it becomes up 3 minutes. Very quiet. Very, very quiet. I like that. Nice looking machine that's going to fit in our area quite nicely. I like that it's quiet. See, that water's getting warm already. Well, just a word of caution to everybody is this is our third microwave in about 4 years. And all of them have failed in the same way. Right in this area, the paint starts coming off. And we looked it up, researched it, and the paint comes off basically because you spill food in there, and it hardens, creates a hot spot, and the microwaves will create such a hot spot that the paint will peel and come off. And they say you shouldn't use a microwave that has paint peeled. It could create sparks, it could create a fire hazard. So, you know, that's what you have to do. So just from what I've looked at so far, I could see why the Toshiba is one of the top featured ones. This one's the 0.9 1350 watts. There's a 1.2 cubic foot, and I think it's got the same amount of watts. A little bit bigger. It'll be used for more, for larger things, for cooking more and stuff like that. But right now, we basically just need something to heat food, to reheat food, you know, perhaps boil water, that kind of thing. So if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below. I do feel that just from the quality look of this device, that it's going to last me a long time. It's going to be a wonderful machine to have, and I think it deserves its reviews. Thank you. Have a great day.